Hello YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace these solar ground lights. I've looked everywhere on the internet. I couldn't find anything. I even went out to Amazon where I bought the product, look at the the questions, and people were saying you can't replace these batteries. So I did a little more research. I said, let me see if I can figure it out for myself, and I actually did. So hopefully you find this video very helpful. First thing you do is take off the screws, okay? Okay, right? And this is gonna help a lot of people. A lot of people are asking questions on this. Okay, so. Okay. So it's off. This lid was on. This comes off easy too. Take the lid off. Take off the little rubber thing. And here was the black thing, the black cover. And I was like, how do I take this off? I tried everything. I tried to go underneath, pop it all over the place. So I finally said, let me just take a knife and go right in here along the line, and it came off. And it's glued on, so you might have to push a little hard, but voila, there is the battery right there. Okay, there's the battery. To replace the battery, see it? Just take this little thingy off. Again, don't be afraid, get in there, jab it a little bit, right? Jab it and just go around it, and then it will. Again, like I said, it was glued on, so you got to pull it off and then replace the battery. And pretty easy, you put it all back together again, right? Put everything back on, right? Put the lid, right? Put these back on, pretty easy. Make sure they're tight. Like I said, this is going to help a lot of people put these to replace these batteries. You don't have to waste your money on getting new ones. You can reuse them again and again. Sorry. Okay. Make sure they're tight. Okay. And there you go. Okay, let's see if I can show you. See? Boom. Bingo. There you have it, guys and gals. Enjoy, and hopefully this video helps you. Talk to you again. Like the video, please, if you do, and subscribe. I'll have more of these videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.